Hi and welcome to this short video showing how to use the free Caddie Catalogue download of Caddie Mock Sash window styles to help you create good looking and accurate drawings. So, having been involved with CAD and CAD users for many years, one of the things that always crops up is how to create good accurate drawings quickly but with a good standard of presentation. And here with the Caddie Catalogue, I think we've got something that does exactly that. So if you've been involved with drawings like this, or even drawings such as this, for instance, and I've seen quite a number of these over the years where people have taken simple things like lines, they've taken hatching, and they've taken dimensions, and they've created their drawing maybe line by line so that each thing is an object in its own right, or maybe they've grouped them together as groups or even blocks, which has enabled them to be taken out and modified maybe a little bit more quickly over a whole drawing. However, you're always left with the problem that each of these things is an object in its own right and they take a lot of modifying. However, with the Caddie Catalogue and the AEC tools that we have within the system, we can do everything in one, much more quickly, much more simply, and as accurately too. So we'll see here that we have a plan of our building, we have a couple of windows in it there, we have a door there, and we have some dimensions. Over here we have an elevation, so these are model space viewport, and this is our building model showing the whole thing. So how do we get our catalogue objects in here? Well, having loaded the catalogue, we select the window that we want. We see the mouse over there telling us what the object is, and we just literally drag it in and we'll see it sort of coming into our drawing. So all the viewports are there to be worked on. You can work on any of them, and I'll just drop in my window, and you'll see that when I just press R for regen, it automatically updates the dimensions too. And if I pick on the window, I can even copy that. So let's just copy that, and we'll just copy it across the front of our elevation. We'll just type in 1200 millimeters, so we've got another window in there as well, and you'll see that the dimensions automatically update too. So our drawing is there, it's live. We'll see the elevation, so all the hatching is attended to, all of the brickwork there as well, and if we pick on our drawings, very easy to modify. We can move them around at will, and of course the dimensions updating, and if we choose to remove one from our drawing as well, simple as hitting the delete key, the dimensions update, plan updates, the elevation updates, and so do the model and the dimensions. So there you are. If you would like more information on these, how to get hold of the downloads, just watch for the links at the end of the video or go onto the Caddie website. And if you need the evaluation download, that's simple to get hold of too. Just onto the Caddie website, go to the free download, and you'll get a 14-day evaluation copy of Caddie to try for yourself, along with the window styles. Enjoy. Discover many more Caddie tutorial videos on the Caddie software channel on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter for frequent news and updates. And why not download your own evaluation copy and try out Caddie for yourself? And whilst you're evaluating, you can get free help and advice via the live support on the website or through the numbers given on screen.